Hello, my name is Artsy Blanco, the Artsy Sister, and today we're doing pouring art. Well, that's kind of like what I do practically every week. Cause mostly, like I used to do like pouring art and also ink art, but like I'm running out of pouring paint, so then I just wanted to use up all of the pouring paint before switching to ink arts. And we're making like this lovely, amazing painting in on paper, cause just mentioning that if you're gonna like use acrylic paints on paper that is like a heavy paper, or maybe a canvas that hasn't been like stuck to a wooden board, or like something, just a very loose type of paper. And the reason why I do that is because like with paper you can sort of like bend and fold it, and that creates like interesting pattern, instead of when you're working with pouring paints that are on a fixed square surface. So yeah, I got like the little colors in the middle, and then I just move the paints left and right, just watch it flow until like it creates a fun pattern. But like when you make your first initial blob, make certain that you like add a lot of paint. A lot of paint in order to like that might cover most of the canvas, so you gotta keep adding. But with most paints in general or anything, it's an art form trying to guess how much paint you need to add so you don't like waste stuff. But then again, like wasting paint is usually only a concern that I like stress about, but mostly because I'm like a very frugal type of artist, that I'm like always trying to like you saw me in like the previous video, just like shaking the bottles to make certain that I get every little bit of paint out of there. So yeah, so that's the thing that you could do with like paper. You bend it to like so like the gravity does the heavy lifting as far as filling out the canvas is concerned. Well, not canvas, this time it's like a sheet of paper, and I just use like some nice earthy colors like greens and like browns and yellows, colors that people don't usually use to make like pouring art most of it, but I'm using it this time because like I have a lot of it. So yeah, so that's the plan, use up all of the art supplies before they go bad. So yeah, just sit back and enjoy the rest of the pouring paint. Like this one is just add a little blob and then move the paint around, add a little blob and then move the paint around. It's a puddle art, which is the painting technique, the pouring art painting technique that I'm using for this artwork. And it definitely took me a while because I kept underestimating how much paint I needed per splatter here and there. But just a matter of guessing, that's all. But the finished result came out alright. So yeah, I feel confident. Like I feel confident with it. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the show.